Okay, now I'm going to modify the program. This time I'm going to do it on my computer, my Mac Air. Okay, we go up to this little button on the right and we log in. Make sure we're logged in. I'm already logged in. And then you'll see all my programs down here, including the one we just made. So I'm going to click on that program 9. I'm going to click open. And then I'm going to close this dialog, the profile and everything. So there's my original program. Police car lights, move forward 4 steps, spin left. And now I'm going to do a loop, just to make the program a little more interesting. So I'm going to take a repeat loop, and again, this isn't supposed to be a programming exercise. Okay, see how wherever I click I can separate there. You see that? Okay, so I'm going to put on the loop. Make sure my police car lights is lined up there too. Okay, now I have my program modified. I have a loop, so these things will be repeated. Now I don't have Bluetooth on this computer, so I'm just going to click Save. Save file. Let's go to Save, Open Save from Programs, and we click Save. Do you want to save over this program? Yes. So let's save the program. There's an alternate way to do this. We can load it via Flash, which I'll show you in a second. Let's close that. Okay, let's run this program and see what we get. So I saved it on my computer, and now I'm going to go back to my phone. So I turn my Evo back on, and then I go to my phone. Okay, I clicked on my program. It's downloading to Evo. Police car lights, moves forward, spins, rainbow lights. Moves forward, spins, rainbow lights. So there you just wrote your first loop. So in review, I'm logged in. A username in my case is Orange Brain Air. I'm logged in. I write my program. I click Save, and I overwrote my program. I overwrote my program 9. And then I don't have Bluetooth on my computer here, so I go back to my phone. The program was there waiting for me. I click on the program. Because I have auto run set, when I click on the program, it automatically downloads the program and it runs. So I turn my Evo back on, and then I go to my phone. There's program 9. Okay, I clicked on my program. Downloading to Evo. Police car lights, moves forward, spins, rainbow lights. Moves forward, spins, rainbow lights. So there you just wrote your first loop. Now I'm going to show you an alternative way to download the program through the Flash. Now I think to my grandkids and myself, we own 4 Ozobot Evos and 1 bit. And I had problems with 2 units not being able to Flash download. And I think it's a light issue, and I had one that wouldn't Flash download, and after 2 or 3 days messing around, just not doing anything in particular, it started Flash downloading again. So here it says, remember to calibrate Ozobot to your screen before loading the program. Okay, so what I do here, I'm going to set this off to the side. Now I found usually, sometimes I don't have to. If Ozobot's not all excited, sometimes I can just put it on right there. That says bit too. Remember, we have to load, this program has to be selected as Evo. Okay, I forgot to do. First I'm going to calibrate the Evo. So I'm going to hold the button, for about 2 seconds till the white light blinks, and I'm going to put it on the white spot. Okay, I got my white light. I put it on the white spot. So he's calibrating now on the spot. He's done. So now I'm going to click Load Evo. And you see the lights flashing now. So Evo's loading. And there's a progress bar there. Now this is one of those soft screen computers, so I don't like doing that on here. But the iPads have a glass option. You can flash on those quite nicely. Probably for kids, the iPad and the phone is a really good way to do this. And you notice it's quite a bit slower. When I just clicked my program before, it's instantaneous via Bluetooth. It loads right up and it automatically starts running. So we're about halfway loaded now. So you can see Bluetooth is far superior than loading via flash. But if you don't have Bluetooth, that's the other way you can do it. And now the instructions say, that pop up afterwards, to say to double click the Evobot to run the program. So let's check that out. Okay, there's the police car lights. Moves forward 4, spins around, rainbow lights. And notice we don't get police car lights again. Our loop only doubled downstream, so to speak, of the police car lights. So that's our second part of the loop, ending in a rainbow. Okay. So remember, if we go back to the program, see, the police car lights are outside of the loop. You can click on the loop and move it down. They're outside of the loop. Inside the loop, we have the move forward command, followed by the spin command, followed by the firework command, and that's what we've asked to repeat 2 times. If I click this, open it, and click 3 times or 4 times, it'll repeat as many times as I want. But the police car lights do not repeat because they're outside of the loop. So that was a little more than I intended to show you, but just a simple little application of the loop to this program. But the biggest thing, we save the program, and then in this case it wants to know if I want to write over the old program. I'm going to say no, because we're already happy with it. And then it shows up. We named it, remember, Test Load Evo Program 9, and these are canned programs that come with the program. And then this is my own program 7, 8, and 9 that I wrote. So I wrote the program, I saved it to My Programs in the file dialog box. Let's do that one more time. I'm going to close this. I'm going to click the Save button. Click the Save button. Here's the dialog box, and we're going to say Open Save from My Programs, not Files. Okay, the files, we have to go find them. But when it's My Programs, it puts it right where we want it to go. In this case, Program 9. If I want to delete the program, I can delete it here, and I can open the program here, or I can save it if I've done some more work on it. So that, in a nutshell, I've shown you how to load a basic program to Evo, and we'll put an outline up to summarize those things. The flash, you notice on the computer I didn't have this icon on my tablet. I don't know why. If I load from this icon, it'll automatically save to my programs without going through the dialog box. And then it started running. The program. Or on the other hand, if I want to flash download it, like we just did, I have that selection here. So I got flash download, or I can download directly to my programs. If you're more comfortable clicking icons, there's the save icon there. Okay, I'll put up a summary outline, and that's our first video on how to program the Evo. Thanks for watching.